My name is Anusha. My class ID is 10. This is the ICP5 where we talk about the graph frames. I developed this code in Scala. Here we are using two datasets, the station dataset and the strip dataset. The stations are considered as vertices in the graph and the strip is considered as the connection between the vertices, so that is being an edge. Here we import the CSV file and create the data frames directly on the importing code. Here we can see that I use spark.read function in order to read the data file and then create a data frame for that one, and then we are printing out the schema to just for our verification. And in the ICP5 we are asked to find out the duplicate values. In order to find the duplicate values, I use the distance function which displays the duplicate values for the dot count column, and we can display the two data from the stations and the trips, and we can also find out the vertices, which is the station, using the vertices.show from the graph, and edges as the edges.show from the graph. And in order to perform a concatenation function, I use the latitude column and the longitude column and displayed the two columns combined together using the station.graph. Here we can see that the latitude and longitude is being combined into a single data frame and being displayed. And these are the common basic functions where we show the total number of vertices count, which is the number of stations here. The total number of edges dot counts gives us the total number of trips in the whole data set, which is here. These are the some basic queries, and we can display this whole number of vertices and the edges. This is being displayed here. This is the whole all the vertices in the data sets, and this is the all the trips in the data set. And the integrity is nothing but the number of times the head ends at the adjacent to a vertex is called as an integrity, and the out degree is quite opposite to that, which is like a tail ends at the edge. How is the number of tail ends at the end of a vertex is called as an out degree. In order to find the integrity and out degree, there is a predefined function which is which is an integrity, and the out degree for respective out degree. We can limit the number of rows to be displayed to 5, 10 or 20 depending upon the maximum number of rows in the whole data combined from the data set. A modif function is nothing but it is a pair of vertices and edges which has a common directions. We can give the logic as if a trip is starting from the vertex A to B and there is an station between it, like path between it like E, and if there's another trip from B to E and E to A, this both is combined to a one single motif function, motif findings. So we can display that here. These are all the motif findings where we see that Harry reaches from to San Francisco. And coming to the vertex degree, there is a function called degrees where we can use it as the vertex degree when we are ordering it by the degree, starting from using the highest value in the start and the lowest value in the last. The common destinations show that how many number of trips are being repeated for the same source and the same destination. We can give that we are using the group by function in order to perform this. We are grouping the column as the source and the next column as a destination in order to find the common one, and we are decreasing the number. Like if there are more people traveling in the same from the same station to the same station, that is being counted as the most highly common destination, and then the next one is the next common destination. In order to find the ratio for the station having the highest in degree and the fewest out degree, we are just joining the out degree with the fewest number and the in degree with the highest number, and then we are dropping out the values. This gives us the highest in degree with the fewest out degree, which is here, and all the vertices that are being generated from the data sets and all the edges that is being generated in the data set is being stored into a separate folder called edges and the vertices. Here we can see that the edges are being stored. This is the edges and this is the vertices. There are a large number of vertices. everything is explained here. This is all about the ICP5.